That's right guys, wireless charging on the Moto G7 Power. Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos, doing a super quick video. Want to show you how to wireless charge your Moto G7 Power. Now, some of you may have read the specs and wireless charging is not included in those features. However, with this little dongle, you're actually able to make the Moto G7 actually charge wirelessly. This little Qi wireless charger, it just plugs right into the bottom of the phone. Try to take it off there. This little adapter will cost you around $10 to $15. We'll definitely leave a link in the description below where you can get one. But it's really a simple concept. It just plugs into the charging port of the phone, right at the bottom here. And you would just put the case on the phone that you're using, and it normally will work through just about any case, as long as you're not dealing with an OtterBox. And you just take it and place it on your wireless charger, and it'll light up and allow you to charge the phone. So, really easy device. Again, it just plugs right in, and it allows you to have a really cool feature that you normally don't see on phones in this tier. So, really small investment will get you a really fun feature. I love wireless charging. I tend to have, you know, the latest Galaxy phone or latest iPhone, and so I have wireless chargers all over my house. And sometimes it's kind of a bummer when I get a phone that can't do it. But I usually have one of these laying around, and it always makes it a really easy experience to be able to just take any phone and convert it to wireless charge. So anyway, if you guys want to get one, you'll see a link in the description of where you can get it. We'll also have a link on this cool little wireless charging pad as well. So definitely check that out. Hope you did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos as well. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.